Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get ChatGPT on your iPhone, then let me first tell you that there is currently no ChatGPT standalone app for your iPhone, but you can easily add ChatGPT as a bookmark for your iPhone so that you can easily access the app. So here's how it can be done. Simply go ahead and open up Safari on your iPhone and in the search box, type in openai.com and search. In the search box, search for ChatGPT and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. Go ahead and click on this link where it says ChatGPT Optimizing Language Models for Dialogue. Click the link open and now tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now rewrite the application's name and tap on Add at the top right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to get the ChatGPT app for your iPhone. Simply open up the app from your home page and that is how you'll be able to access the app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.